he's headed for 6. That's a great way to finish the over. 11 from it.
Oh, this is a meaty blow. And it's gone the distance.
He's batting the middle overs as well, so that's why it's so important. He's hit that beautifully. He's dined out on that one. He's headed for 6. That's a great way to finish the over. 11 from it. 7 done. 56 for none.
Swings that away, deep over mid-wicket. 6 for Fokker. It's set away, backward a point. They should come back for 2. They will come back for 2. And a 5th T20 half-century for Sabzada Farhan. His 2nd against India. And at a very important time.
And this is a magnificent.
Gone up. And it's gone long and long enough. 6 more.
Making good use of that.
Out, straight to deep mid-wicket. Tilak Varma, I think it is out there at deep mid-wicket. And Varun Chakravarti has got India's first, and boy, do they need that.
Carried and taken. Kuldeep gets the wicket. Wide outside off. It was quick as well. Just couldn't keep the ball down. And India have got their 2nd. Well, looks a good shot, but the fielder has come around and will take the catch. Akshar Patel has struck for India. Rinku Singh takes the catch. It's gone again. Might just go all the way. Too high and too long for Shubman Gill. Great strike from Fakhar Zaman. Slice it and taken. Fakhar Zaman is gone. Varun Chakravarti, the man, pushed it a little wider. Deliberate obstruction. The rule there wasn't. But this is a wicket. Sanju Samson has called it. Another wicket has fallen here. Akshar Patel has got his 2nd.
He'll have another probably. Sanju Samson has called everyone else off it. He wants it. It's gone high and he takes it. Kuldeep gets his 2nd, and Pakistan, after a great start, are falling apart through the middle. Oh, that one's close. Well, there's an appeal there. Kuldeep's interested here. This was the wrong one as well. It was straighter.
They batted like a schoolboys. Another one. There we go. Tilak Varma, the man at mid-off. And what an over. 3rd wicket.
Oh, it's not going to happen. Waqar nails the Yorker. Does Bumrah. Hits it high, hard, straight out to deep mid-wicket. And taken. Rinku Singh with the catch. Pakistan bowled out. Have gone from 113 for 1 to 146 all out in no time.
Plan missing, advancing, going down the track, looking to go back over his head. First ball. Fahim Ashraf now. Now he's had to drag that. A bit of a slower delivery. Out, wicket, first up. Fahim Ashraf has struck. That's what they wanted. They've got Abhishek eventually. That is massive. Pretty again. In the air. Out. Out. Now it's out. Couple of juggles. Captain's taken that. Skipper for Pakistan is happy. Skipper for India has gone nowhere. He wants more. He's gone over the top. No, he's out. Good catch from Haris Rauf. He's got his second now. That is another big wicket. Pakistan will be delighted with the start they've had here, and their spectators are right behind.
He's picked that beautifully for 6. What a shot that is, just soaring in line. And Tilak Verma onto it in a flash.
At the time where there's a chance here. Dropped it. Reach with both hands. Flighted ball. And it's flat batted that could be a 6. And that's a terrific shot. It's gone for the big one. And enough back on that one to take it all the way. Just what he needed.
Problem for India.
Might be now. Top edge from Sanju Samson. Abrar has got one. Swung away and all the way for 6. Terrific over from India's point of view. 17 coming from it. The 100 up with 5 to go. And that is sailing over deep mid-wicket. Just compounding the problems now for Pakistan.
Boundary, and now they're being very, very sensible. Just playing around with the bowler, and that's Tilak Verma's 50. What a wonderful knock in a circumstance here, tough conditions. 111 for 4.
Last ball this over. It's a low full toss. It's been belted and it's been belted for 6. That's a great shot. It's exactly what they're waiting for. Something loose and it's disappeared. 130 for 4. Last ball. Hard down the ground. Should be taken. Afridi's there. Takes the catch. Important wickets. Dubé's played superbly. Now he's gone. Pakistan are celebrating. That is big. Ideal time right now to get that wicket. 62 not out. Worked that nicely. And it's gone for 6. What a shot that is.
Brilliant under pressure. Tilak Verma. And bang! It's over. It's India who win the Asia Cup. For the 9th time, it's been a thrilling final. Rinku Singh, first game of the tournament. One ball he plays, puts it away to the boundary.